friends, welcome to Stellar Civil Servant series of Unique Shiksha. In this series, we highlight the contributions of stellar civil servants to inculcate administrative acumen in the future civil servants. We hope their experiences will motivate you in your journey. This session is about Armstrong Pame, who is also known as Miracle Man of Manipur. Why he got this title and how he became the Miracle Man of Manipur. Let's listen to his story. Armstrong Pame was born on 23rd September 1984 in the Tamenglong district of Manipur. He graduated from Stephens College of Delhi University in Physics Honours. He cracked the UPSC Civil Services exam in 2009 and joined Manipur cadre. In 2012, Pame got posted in Tausem as the sub-divisional officer. The Impa village of Tausem is where Armstrong was born and he therefore has known the struggle of the people there since his childhood. There was no road communication to the village from the district headquarters. When he got posted there, he still had to walk on the foot to most of the villages. After conversing with the villagers, he realized that they need nothing more than the road connectivity. And that's when he decided to take the initiative of building this road. It was not an easy task though. The state government declined to help him due to paucity of the funds. So he turned to his family members and villagers. But that was also not enough. Therefore, he took to Facebook to raise funds, and because of his efforts, people from 25 countries came together for this purpose and contributed their bit. And finally, after 8 long months of rigorous hard work, his initiative bore fruits and the 100 kilometers road, which is also known as People's Road, was inaugurated in September 2013. The road not only connects many villages of Thousand to Manipur, but also to Assam and Nagaland. The road has changed the lives of people tremendously. When asked by the villagers how much do they earn now, they replied that each of the household earns in lakhs. Such is the life-changing impact of this road on the people of Thousand area. Pame feels extremely ecstatic in informing that Government of India has decided to adopt this road as National Highway Project. It's the newest highway in the entire country and its name is NH 137. After giving road to the people, he worked on several other issues. For example, he took up the responsibility of children of a family when they lost their parents. He bore all the expenses of their education and sent them to schools. He also helped a girl from his area to pursue her higher education when she fell short of guidance and money. Due to his tremendous work for people, in 2012, Pame got nominated for CNN IBN Indian of the Year in Public Service category. For his efforts in building road with donation and volunteers, he was invited to Facebook headquarters in California. He also received the Most Eminent IS Officer Award in 2015. He is now declared as the young global leader of the class of 2018 as declared by the World Economic Forum. The life experiences of Pame show that an IS officer not only needs to be determined but also have to have the leadership quality to take challenging initiatives. You have to be very empathetic and compassionate towards the people you are working for. Armstrong stands testimony to the fact that if one is determined enough, it is possible to overcome each challenge and eliminate every struggle. So this was the story of Armstrong Pame, who has become an example for every bureaucrat to follow. To continue to listen to such stories, please stay tuned to our channel. You can also join our live foundation courses where we provide live class with top teachers, live in class support, anytime learning, study material, 100 plus tests, detailed study plan, and 750 plus hours courses. You can also explore more with our 7-day free trial classes. To get notified about our new videos, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you so much.